Hello cuties, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our learning platform, Learn Forward from Pitara. Today we will do another next chapter of our series and the series name is Songs and Tales. The title of our poem is Little Boy Sunny. Little Boy Sunny. Let's see my dear children. Wow, look at the pictures. There are one girl and one boy. What they are doing? They are exchanging their dresses with each other. Okay, let's start the poem. Little boy Sunny. The boy name is Sunny. Little boy Sunny. Little girl Bunny. The girl name is Bunny. Okay. Little boy Sunny, little girl Bunny exchange their dresses. They exchange their dresses with each other and look so funny. They look so funny. Little boy Sunny, little girl Bunny exchange their dresses and look so funny. Which one is Sunny? We don't know. After exchanging, they exchange their dresses. We don't know which one is Sunny and which one is Bunny. They are so funny. They are so funny. Oh, so funny. Okay, let's repeat again. Little boy Sunny, little boy Bunny exchange their dresses and looked so funny. Which one is Sunny and which one is Bunny? They are so funny. They both are funny. Oh, so funny. Okay, children. I hope you all like the poem, my dear children. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Happy learning.